Introduction DFY Affiliate Funnel 1 Review. Welcome to my DFY Affiliate Funnel 1 review post. The dynamic realm of affiliate
To
marketing,
purchase,
where
and if they
discovering a
decided to purchase,
solution
you're
that
going to make some money,
simplifies the
obviously.
process
And at
and
the same time
maximizes your
here,
earning
because they
potential,
opt into
is
this
akin to
form, you're
finding
going
a
to be
hidden
able to
treasure. Meet DFY Affiliate Funnel 1, a plug-and-play powerhouse meticulously crafted to revolutionize your affiliate game effortlessly. In this in-depth review, we will delve into the distinctive features that set this funnel apart and explore how it can elevate your affiliate marketing endeavors. DFY Affiliate Funnel Number 1 Overview Vendor. Avertedai Product. DFY Affiliate Funnel 1 Front-End Price. $17. Niche. Affiliate Marketing Refund. 30-day money-back guaranteed bonus. Yes, recommendation. Highly recommended DFY. An acronym for DFY perfectly encapsulates the essence of this affiliate marketing funnel. It stands as a comprehensive, ready-to-use solution that empowers you to convert visitors, amplify sales, and maximize commissions without requiring advanced technical skills. The central focus is on simplicity, a straightforward approach where you copy, monetize, and watch your earnings soar. DFY Affiliate Funnel 1 Review. How it operates. The brilliance of DFY Affiliate Funnel 1 lies in its simplicity and efficiency. Upon acquiring the funnel, you gain access to a meticulously crafted system. The step-by-step process is designed for ease of use, allowing you to seamlessly integrate the funnel into your affiliate marketing strategy. From capturing leads to driving conversions, every aspect is strategically integrated to optimize your results. Key benefits. Effortless implementation. Technical prowess is not a prerequisite. DFY Affiliate Funnel 1 caters to users of all skill levels, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Conversion optimization. The funnel is artfully designed to convert visitors into customers, ultimately maximizing your commissions. Time saving. Bid farewell to hours spent on intricate setups. This plug-and-play solution lets you focus on what truly matters: driving results.